Want to stay young, feel energized, and move like you're decades younger? Then you cannot miss this video. I'm revealing the 5 most powerful anti-aging exercises that actually turn back the clock on your body. And trust me, the 5th exercise will blow your mind and change everything. Stick around till the end. Your future self will thank you. Let's dive in. Number 1, squats. Squats aren't just another exercise. They light up almost every major muscle in your lower body. Your glutes, thighs, and hamstrings fire up, while your core and back work to keep your spine perfectly aligned. Stronger muscles equals stronger you. Squats make everyday life easier. Climbing stairs, standing up from a chair, or even walking feels effortless. They also protect your joints. Done correctly, squats strengthen knees, hips, and ankles, while boosting bone density to fight off osteoporosis. And the benefits don't stop there. Squats supercharge circulation, flooding your body with oxygen and nutrients, leaving you energized and revitalized. How to do squats correctly. Feet shoulder width apart, arms straight in front or behind your head. Inhale and lower slowly. Pause at the bottom. Keep your back straight, core tight, and breathe deeply. Exhale as you stand back up. Do 3 sets of 10 reps and watch your strength, endurance, and mobility transform. Number 2, the plank. Planks aren't just a core exercise. They ignite your entire midsection, improve posture, and help banish back pain caused by weak or imbalanced muscles. Stronger core equals safer, more confident movement. Planks also tone your whole body, improve balance, and reduce the risk of everyday injuries at home. And here's a secret. Planks stretch muscles and tendons, boosting flexibility, while the static hold acts like a mini meditation. Focus on your breathing, calm your mind, and reset your day. How to do the plank correctly. Lie face down, hands shoulder width apart, feet hip width apart. Place forearms on the floor, elbows at 90 degrees under your shoulders. Keep your body perfectly straight, no sagging or lifting your hips. Tighten your abs and breathe deeply. Hold for 3 sets of 30 seconds and watch your core strength, stability, and calm energy skyrocket. Number 3, lunges. Lunges aren't just about sculpting a firm, lifted butt. They activate your glutes, thighs, calves, back, and core all at once. Talk about a total lower body powerhouse. Bye-bye back pain. Lunges relieve stress from your lumbar muscles, perfect for anyone who sits all day. They also boost coordination and posture, forcing your body to balance perfectly between left and right sides while keeping your spine stable. And here's the magic. Lunges ignite fat burning and build lean muscle. Each step torches calories while strengthening your legs and glutes. So fat melts and strength grows. How to perform lunges correctly? Feet shoulder width apart, back straight, shoulders aligned. Step forward wide, the working leg bends to 90 degrees, the back leg toes down and also bent at 90 degrees. Keep your knee slightly above the floor, 2 to 3 centimeters, and core tight. Push back to start and switch sides. Do 3 sets of 10 reps and feel your legs, glutes, and balance transform. Number 4, push-ups. Push-ups aren't just a classic move. They ignite your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once, building serious strength and lean muscle. Fight aging and fragility. Regular push-ups prevent muscle loss, support bones and joints, and reduce the risk of fractures. Perfect for staying strong and independent. They also boost functional fitness, improve cardiovascular and respiratory health, and increase joint mobility, keeping your shoulders and elbows healthy. Plus, push-ups improve balance and stability. Your muscles work constantly to keep your body perfectly aligned, giving you a toned, controlled physique. How to do push-ups correctly? Start face down, body in a straight line, feet together, arms shoulder width, palms under shoulders, gaze forward. Inhale, bend your arms and lower your body while keeping your core tight. Exhale, push back up to the starting position. Do 3 sets of 10 reps and watch your strength, posture, and endurance skyrocket. Number 5, glute bridges. This move is a glute sculpting powerhouse that targets your butt, core, thighs, and even calves, all in one. Your gluteus maximus takes center stage, lifting and rounding your butt while your core and thigh muscles stabilize your body for maximum impact. But here's the kicker. Glute bridges aren't just for aesthetics. They strengthen and stabilize your pelvis and lower back, helping prevent chronic pain and boosting overall functional fitness. How to do a glute bridge correctly? Lie on your back, knees bent at 90 degrees, feet flat on the floor, hands by your sides, palms down. Tighten your glutes and lift your pelvis as you exhale, forming a straight line from knees to shoulders. Pause for a second, really feel those muscles working. Inhale, lower back down with control. Do 3 sets of 10 reps and watch your glutes, core, and lower back transform. So check out my other videos. Links are popping up on the screen now. If you love this one, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more fitness hacks. See you soon.